Hey guys, now it's time to sing some of our favorite songs. I'm so excited to sing with you today, and I hope you will use your best and loudest singing voice when we're singing together. You ready? Let's get started. We'll do our welcome song first. Hello, friends, hello, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Okay, this time I want you to have a big smile. Show me your biggest smile. Beautiful. Ready? Hello, friends, and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Good job. All right, our next song is going to be Two Little Blackbirds. Get them ready. Jack and Jill. Are they ready? All right. Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack. Fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Nice. Now they're going to fly in the sky. Two little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. Good job. All right, now they're going to sit on a cloud. Two little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. And one named Loud. Fly away, loud. Come back, loud. Okay, last but not least, sit in the grass. Two little blackbirds sitting in the grass. One named Slow and one named Fast. Fly away, slow. Fly away, fast. Come back, slow. Come back, fast. Good job. I hope you guys had fun with that one. I know it's one of your favorites. All right, our next song is The Itsy Bitsy Spider. So get your spider ready. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good job, friends. All right, now we're going to do our newer song. It goes like this. I'll sing it for you first, and we'll see if you can remember. I am here, and you are here, and we are all together. I am here, and you are here, and we're going to have some fun. Do you remember that one? All right, we're going to do a lot of different actions. We're going to clap our hands, we're going to stomp our feet, nod our head, and wiggle our fingers. Can you help me out with that? Awesome. All right, let's start. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. Nice. Let's do it again. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to stomp my feet. Nice. Back to the beginning. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to stomp my feet. I'm going to nod my head. I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to stomp my feet. I'm going to nod my head. I'm going to wiggle my fingers. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Ready? I am here and you are here and we are all together. I am here and you are here and we're gonna have some fun. I'm going to clap my hands. I'm going to stomp my feet. I'm going to nod my head. I'm going to wiggle my fingers. Good job, guys. Hope you had fun with that one. Maybe we can think of some more actions that we could add to that. I'll have to think about that. All right, now we are going to do our scarves. So I have my trusty bandana. Hopefully you can find a scarf or a bandana or a towel or a washcloth, something at home that you can use for your scarf today. All right, we're going to start with popcorn kernels. If you need to go get a scarf, you can pause the video and come on back. All right, I'm going to need some space for this one, right? Okay, I wish we could all be doing it together, but I want to see your best popcorn kernels. Ready? Here we go. Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Good job. Let's do it again. Want to do it again? All right, let's go. Let's do it a little bit faster. Popcorn kernels in the pot, in the pot. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, till they pop, till they pop. Yay! I have really tall ceilings in my house, so I could throw it really high. So that was fun. All right, our next one is Jack in the Box. I know some of you like to crouch down. Some of you just like to hide it in your hands, so you do whatever you want to do. Okay, ready? Jack in the box sits so still. Will he come out? Yes, he will! Wow, good job. You were some good Jack in the Boxes. Let's do it one more time in a whisper voice. Can you make a whisper voice? Let's see. Ready? Jack in the box sits so still. Will he come out? Yes, he will! Yes! There's Jack. He came out. Good job, friends. All right, now we're going to do kind of a new scarf song. I think we might have done this once in the library, maybe twice. But the tune is to Wheels on the Bus. So if you know the song Wheels on the Bus, you'll be able to get this song really quick. It's called The Fish in the Sea. And since we're getting closer to summertime, I thought it would be fun to talk about fish and the ocean. Okay, it goes like this. We're going to need our scarf. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 swish. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 all day long. Did you know fish and swish rhyme? Another word that rhymes with fish would be dish or wish. All right, ready? Let's do that part again. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 swish. Swish, 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 the fish in the sea go swish, 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 all day long. Now we're going to do the dolphins, and dolphins like to jump. So we're going to swirl it around. Ready? The dolphins in the sea swim round and round, round and round, round and round. The dolphins in the sea swim round and round, all day long. Good job. Now we're going to do the sand. The sand drifts down, and you're going to drop your scarf and then try to catch it before it hits the ground. Ready? The sand in the sea drifts down, 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 down. The sand in the sea drifts down, 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 all day long. All right, the last verse is the waves. The waves go up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down all day long. Good job. Now we're going to put it all together. I'm not going to stop. Okay? So just copy what I did in case you forget. So first we'll do the fish. The fish in the sea go swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. The fish in the sea go swish, swish, swish all day long. The dolphins in the sea swim round and round, round and round, round and round. The dolphins in the sea swim round and round all day long. The sand in the sea drifts down, 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 down. The sand in the sea drifts down, down, down all day long. The waves in the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves in the sea go up and down all day long. Awesome job, guys. I hope you like that one. We're going to end with our goodbye song, and I can't wait to sing with you again soon. Okay, ready? Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. I'll see you all next week. Bye, guys.